Magandang araw mga ka-PTech. Sa video na ito ay pag-usapan natin kung ano ang legal basis noong limitation doon sa validity, no, ng ating mga training certificates. Bakit nga ba or ano nga ba yung legal basis na kung bakit ang ating mga HRMPSB ay nililimit sa 5 taon lamang ang validity ng ating mga training certificates? Well, ang legal basis po na ito ay nakapaloob sa ating DepEd Order number 34, no, series of 2025, which is the amendments, no, to the DepEd Order number 24 series of 2025. Nakapaloob po dito, no, sa ating section number 15 of DO 34 na the requirement of training acquired within the last 5 years in the minimum qualification standards for teachers, master teachers, and school principal positions ay consistent with the DepEd's effort, no, to promote continuous learning and enhance professional competence in response to emerging challenges in the education system. In addition, no, nilagay pa dito na furthermore, training hours acquired, no, after the last promotion but within the last 5 years that exceed the minimum training requirements shall be granted corresponding points in the comparative assessment, no. So malinaw po dito mga ka-PTech, no, na ang training certificates ay may validity na 5 taon, no. Kung however yung training mo na yan ay nasakupan na, no, noong ating subsequent promotion dahil ikaw ay na-promote within that 5-year period, automatic din na hindi na rin magagamit, no, yung training certificate po na yun. Halimbawa, ikaw ay na-promote noong 2024, January of 2024 you were promoted, lahat po ng iyong mga training certificates mula doon sa time that you got promoted ay hindi na po pwedeng i-carry over dito sa susunod po na promotion. Alright? So, there you have it. Yan po yung legal basis natin kung bakit sinusundan ng ating HRMPSB yung 5-year validity period ng ating mga training certificates. Muli po, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating The PTech team. Hanggang sa susunod na video, maraming salamat.